Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is another pair of shoes that just got dropped off from UPS. This one is from Foot Locker. I don't know what style is this one. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Ooh, Nike Air Jordan. So let's go and check out the bottom of the box real quick. This one is the Jumpman with the flight. And you got the Nike Swish Air Sole and Jumpman recycle symbol right there. Then you got the Nike, their address. Boxes are made in China. So on the top you got the Jumpman red with the flight. And then you got the cement looking on the bottom portion. And this is the Nike Air. Got the cutout opening right here. Let's go and check out the size label. Got another Nike Air right there. Going, what? Size 3.5 youth? So this one's the Air Jordan 4 Retro Grade School. It looks like the shoes is made in Indonesia instead of China or Vietnam. Interesting. And here's the barcode right there, or the UPC code. And then retail on this is $140. Let's go and then unbox it. Got the red lid, no stamp. You got the dimension right there. And you got the cement pattern right here on the tissue paper. Wow, this one looks pretty clean, eh? Got the mix of gray color on the front of the toe box and with the red as well, the midsection, and also come with this black and white and also gray on the back. It's your Nike Air. Yeah, the color is pretty nice. Got this TPU and mesh netting right here. Also on the tongue. And on this side as well. Got the white lace with the Jumpman flight. And then this is what it look like on the outsole. Got the Jumpman right there. Take out the shoe tree. Yeah, let me turn on the flash. There you go. So you got the boy size sticker 3.5 right there. And you got the Nike Swish logo and Air in red. And then you got the upside down Air Jordan box logo right there on the inner tongue. Let's go ahead and check out this size label if I could go in there and film it. Oh my god. I think this is as much I could show you guys. Oh my goodness. You look at the lace, it's like a red. Uh-oh, this thing no good. Look at the lace. Just gonna put this in. Oh, here's the shoe tree. 子加 man. And then 2 at the recycle symbol. 0F-AL 3.5 to 4.5. And then it says die cut sock liner. Inside here, there's a Jumpman sticker. Lucky I removed the tissue paper, and it is in gold. I think all the gray screw they come with this sticker or something. And here's the other side. Yeah, it looks kind of wrinkled right here and right there compared to the other one. Somehow this one looks much cleaner and less wrinkle. And you got the same Jumpman on the outsole right there. You got the same Air Jordan upside down box logo right there. And also on this side, got the red Nike Air. And this one doesn't have the boy, oh, it's right there, the boy size sticker. Somehow it's flip. Well, I'm not gonna take it out and ruin it. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.